What's the meaning of American Indian? American Indian. American Indian. American Indian. American Indian. American Indian.
The term American Indian typically refers to the indigenous peoples of North America, including Native Americans and Alaska Natives. These individuals are descendants of the various cultures that inhabited the continent prior to the arrival of European colonizers. While there is significant diversity among American Indian cultures, they often share a deep respect for the natural world and a strong connection to their ancestral traditions. Despite facing significant challenges related to colonization and ongoing discrimination, American Indians continue to play a vital role in shaping modern North American societies.